Look, it's one of the golden pipes.
You're right. But how can we get it out of that glass case?
Looks like a tough case to crack, if you ask me.
I'm sure glad I didn't ask. It looks like the orange sponges move the golden pipe closer to us. We should probably try a different key if we want to get past that rubber stopper.
Way to go!
Those purple sponges move the golden pipe farther away from us. Great! I don't think that's the way we want to go. Those blue sponges move the golden pipe closer to us.
All right.
That's not the direction we want to move.
Hey, Freddy, you smell that?
What is it?
Ah, the sweet smell of success.
Now we need just 2 more golden pipes for Old Soggy to pick up the scent.
Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Gee, I wonder how many golden pipes Freddy and Luther have now. I sure hope you're right. Oh.